Yeah, man, I really need to do this more often, but I have not been dropping no content. I have not been filming nothing. I just been copping parts, putting stuff on, taking stuff off, just getting stuff done. But I got some free time. Got a ton of parts. Got more parts coming in. So let me show you what I got cooking up. As you guys do remember, this was the original block that I was gonna run. The 86 millimeters, the original block, it's the stock, everything is pretty much torn down. A couple pieces still on it. But now I have my built block, which is 86.5 millimeter, and I'm gonna be running the 9:1 ratio on this one. So this one's pretty much, it's built. It's done up, it's bored, fresh home, it's fresh from the machine shop, sandblasted, balanced, everything. It's sweet. Get a good look at it. I actually have the crankshaft in the car, section in the back. Crankshaft's been balanced as well. I don't think I'll take it out of the bag, it's a bit hassle, but you can see the crankshaft is fine. Well, looks fine. My plans are still the same. I just got a whole bunch of goodies, man. I'm excited. I'm excited to get this thing put back together. Excited to start making some power, having some fun, start boosting. But we got the CP to Manley rods, 86.5, 9:1 ratio. Rings already been put on, but still need to be clocked. They've already been gapped. So those are ready to go, along with the ARP rod bolts, or ARP 2000s, I should say. And then I wanted Clevite for all the bearings. Clevite race rod and main and thrust. In case we don't want to see those, we can throw those to the side. This is just the ring compressor. It's not fancy, but I probably still want to see it. There we go. 86.5. I actually got pretty lucky. Picked up a genuine S14 water pump, never even used. Picked it up pretty local. That's a good deal. Pretty sweet. Not even any gasket on it, so you know it's brand new. I got these are all for the crankshaft, so it's not too fascinating, but they are genuine parts, crank buoy, crank bolt, crank spacer. We got the gear crank here, and then of course the flywheel, ARP. Definitely gonna need those. I didn't even show you guys the flywheel. It's probably one of the best parts too. Exetti lightweight 10-pound flywheel. Let's take a little stroll. It's not even a stroll, it's from the garage. Still got the CD09s waiting to be modified. Gonna have to shave it down so I can run the Collins. The Collins or the Mavericks adapter. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do, but either or work the same. And boom. Here we go. It's the last piece. Exetti 10-pound flywheel, or Exetti lightweight 10-pound flywheel. So Yeah, man, got some new stuff. Got my seats sold. As you can see, there's no seats in the car. Got the wheels on. I'm moving smooth. I did order the seat brackets and the seat sliders. I already have the seat mounts, and the seat mounts are already mounted. As far as the motor goes, my plans are still the same. I pretty much got all the parts to start parting this bottom end back together. So only thing I need left, or the only thing I have left to do is I want to double check the decking on the blocks. I want to check that, and then I need to smooth this stuff again. I need to clean this guy here. This front cover needs to get sandblasted. I'm gonna have a fully sandblasted block and nice and shined up, and then dusty oil cover on the front. Like, oh, I don't think it's gonna work out. Like, so once I get my oil cover polished up, get some gaskets bought. Double check the decking on this at the machine shop, and buy an oversized oil pan, which thing will pretty much be going back together. Maybe even before that, because I mean I have everything here. I just need the gaskets. So once I have the gaskets and everything, especially for the rear main seal, you can see I can't even get this one out. It's giving me a hard time to throw it in the vise and then pop it out. But I need the gaskets. I need to double check the decking on this and sandblast this cover. So nothing too major. We're moving smooth still. Still need to get this motor out. I actually have my friends gonna come pull in and get out the way for me. So I'm not really worried about that. I'm excited. I'm kind of speechless. But yeah, man. You already know. CP the Manly combo, the Clevice ARP, 9K RPM built head, Tomei 260s, Tomei solid lifters, BC titanium springs retainers. Like, man, it's built, man. It's ready to go.
Yeah, so I mean, as far as everything goes with the car and the motor, I feel like all the plans are still the same. We got the built motor, got the built head. Just got to get this thrown back together. The stuff for the seat should be here this week. Still need a harness bar. Still need the passenger seat bracket. Still need the harnesses. So that's where I am with that. Just a couple more pieces, but I really need to get this motor pulled out the Audi so we can get this thing prepped. I kind of want to paint down the engine bay, get the nice primer look with a little bit of clear coat. Nothing too crazy, but it's gonna take time. So if I don't have this motor out right now, it's gonna be a hassle.
It'll give it a nice look though. Just do this all primered up, the clear coat. I think it won't look too bad, but it's gonna be a lot of work if I want to do that. I'm got mixed feelings on that. I might do it, I might not. I don't know just yet. Just because I want to get this motor in, I want to drive it. So we'll see what we're talking about for the engine bay. Maybe some friends can come, we can knock this out in a day and a half or two. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna get more content out. I'm gonna get better with my editing. Yeah, this is a good start. This is a good, I don't know. This is a good place to be right now. Get this thing thrown back together. Get ECU, get some manifolds, injectors, fuel rail, fuel lines. Boom. We close. We're getting close. Looking for a heartbeat, but not just yet. Stay tuned, man.